Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulo, also known as Lulo M. A lot of people say I say my name too fast, so today I decided let me slow it down a bit. And yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is Lulo, also known as Lulo M, and to all my return subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Welcome. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Welcome to a family where we ooze out positivity and we're all about positive vibes over here, you know. So basically today I decided let me just come here. Before we start, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to switch on your post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. It really does help my channel. So the first thing you need to do is like this video. So yeah, today I decided let me just come here and just thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it so much, and from the bottom of my heart I just wanted to say thank you. So I decided let me just film this intro for you guys just to say thank you for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I love the fact that our family is growing and we are moving on to bigger and better things. So I just wanted to say that from the bottom of my heart. I just want to say thank you, and I really appreciate you guys, and I really love you guys so much. Thank you for the engagement. Thank you for just, you know, loving on the girl. So yeah, so that's what I just wanted to say before we start with today's video. And yeah, I hope you guys are good. So later on in the video you will realize that this I was relaxing my hair and this is how it turned out. I actually really love it. I love how it came out, and I am obsessed with this look. Like, it's giving clean, it's giving honey, it's giving, you get what I'm saying? You understand? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, thank you so much guys. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Good morning guys, I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are good. So today I woke up and I feel like I'm in a bit of a funk. I don't feel okay, I don't feel good, and I thought to myself, you know what more than to take myself out for breakfast. So I decided, you know what, let's go out for breakfast. So I decided to take myself out for breakfast. So while I was done bathing, like now I was done bathing, and I was like, why don't I vlog, you know? So I decided, you know what, let me just vlog. We're gonna go out for breakfast and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do after. But let's go, let's get dressed guys. Let's get dressed. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but we'll see. I want something really chilled, like a denim and a white tee, something like that, but we'll see. But I think we're gonna wear this and jeans and maybe this, but I don't know guys. I don't like satin during the day. I don't know why, but we'll see. If not that, then we're gonna wear this. So let's kind of figure out what we're gonna wear. Let's go. So we need to choose between this. Wait. I don't know guys, what do you think? Does it work? Is it looking cute? I don't know guys, I don't know. Let's look at our second option. Let's look at our second option. don't know, guys, which one do you like the most? Which one do you feel like works better, this or that? Because another thing that I thought is maybe it's just that I feel like this is my signature look and I don't want to go for that. Maybe we could just throw on a leather jacket. You get what I'm saying? You can never go wrong, guys, with a leather jacket. You can never go wrong, I'm telling you. Leather jacket, some shades, and you get. So guys, this is the final outfit. This top is from the Fix, earrings are from the Fix, this is from the Fix, this is from Jet, and the jeans are from Mr. Price. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna wear them with sneakers, and yep, let's get it.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
So I'm gonna sit here and edit, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Hi guys, so I am back. I had the most beautiful morning ever. Beautiful morning ever. Angifuni nokungasho. Angifuni nokungasho. I think I'm saying it right. Yeah, but anyways, I had such a beautiful morning and I'm so happy. Actually, I'm so glad that I did it. I'm back now and I feel so much better. so yeah, so I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. And I don't know whether oh no, we are continuing this vlog because I said I want to get my nails done, and then I also want to get a pedicure done, and I want to do my hair. So we're gonna continue with this vlog. Right now I think I'm just gonna continue editing. I was editing at Guilt & Co. I actually went to Guilt & Co. I was editing there, but I decided, you know what, I'll just continue when I get here because it was blazing, guys. It's so hot outside. I literally just want to take off everything and just be, I don't know, I want to wear maybe something really loose, and then I can edit, because I was just like, no ways, there's no ways that it's that hot. Sure. But anyways, I had so much fun there. I'm so glad I went. And yeah, and let's just relax and mind, you know, and see where the day takes us. Bye guys. Hi guys. So today I decided, you know what, let me just vlog for you guys. I am going hiking, and I thought, you know what, let me take you guys along. I didn't even show you my outfit, but I'll show you when we get where we're going. But anyways, I hope you guys are good, and I hope you guys are, you get what I'm saying. But anyways, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to switch on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. So let's go.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if...
Hi guys, so we have arrived and your girl is looking like a snack. Let me try and show you what I'm wearing. Let me try and show you.
If you were here, morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my...
We are on the trail now, and 2 minutes in, I'm already tired. I'm just like, hi. No, I'm already tired. But guys, this is such a soothing experience. I actually can't wait. Seeing a snake or something. Yo guys, like on Instagram, right, when I was checking them out, I saw people with snakes and whatever. So like, I'm so terrified that I might just come across one, but I hope I don't, because no. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this hike with me.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all.
What the hell?
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally.
Hi guys, so we are having breakfast at the restaurant. I'm not really sure if the food is nice, but sobon. I'm also not sure if you can hear me because it's so loud here, but yes, we'll catch up later. Yeah.
I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. And today my sister's graduating, so I'm super excited. I thought, you know what, let me take you guys along my day, because number one, I want to relax my hair. Number two, my sister's graduating, and I thought, you know what, it's gonna be a fun day to take you guys along. And yeah, anyways, I just ordered on Chica 60. I'm waiting for my relaxer to get here. I want to relax my hair myself. We shall see, we shall see. I've done it before, so it shouldn't be that hard. I want to relax my hair, and after relaxing my hair, we'll see. We will see as the day goes on, or as the day progresses, or whatever. We will see. So that's basically what I want to do. I thought I should take you guys along. Please like this video, please. It really helps my channel a lot, so please like it. Please comment. You know, I love to hear your thoughts. I actually love to hear your thoughts, so please comment. And please also subscribe, you know, join this family of positivity, of love, you know, the vibes. But yeah, basically that's it guys. Let me not talk too much. Let us get into this video. Hi guys, I am back. So my order is currently on its way. Yay, super excited. It's now 8:12 and my order's on its way. I'm gonna show you guys what I got and then we're gonna get right into it. You know, we have a long day, so we need to do what we need to do. But currently I am watching Zizi's vlog, and yeah guys, I don't have a TV, I don't have a couch, I don't have a yazinkuniki, but I'm so grateful. Actually, I think I should create an intro for this video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna create an intro for this video, just giving you guys an update of how I'm feeling and where I'm currently at. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, let's see where the driver is. And my order should be arriving here pretty soon, and we should be relaxing our hair pretty soon. So guys, my order is here. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. So let me quickly show you guys. Woo! Guys, I actually forgot that my stove is hot. So I was literally putting this on top of my stove. Yeah. Guys, don't you think I look like a Kung Fu Panda? You get what I'm saying? Anyways, let me just show you guys. Clearly I want to show them. Guys, I don't know what's going on with these things, but okay, let me show you guys. I got this anti-breakage relaxer. Dark and Lovely reminds me of the times when I was still young and I'd buy that small kit for, what is it called? New Beginnings. Yes, New Beginnings. And my mom used to relax my hair, guys. It's Pumagute. So I bought this anti-breakage. Yeah, I bought this anti-breakage. So this is what I'm going to use to relax my hair. I bought anti-breakage because my hair is still a bit natural. It's natural, so I'm scared that it might break, so I bought this. So I got this Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo and also the conditioner. I actually use this for my weaves and also for my actual hair. I actually love it. It leaves my hair looking healthy, looking silky, and it makes sense. So this is what I use. With my natural hair, I never really took care of it at home. I'd do treatments at the salon, but with my relaxed hair, when I had relaxed hair, that is the one that I used to use. So now we're back again to that program, and I also use it for my weave. Then a lot of people also ask me what I use to wash my weaves. This is what I use. So this is also the conditioner, so I also got the conditioner. So basically I use the Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo and conditioner for my weaves and for my relaxed hair. Yeah. I also got hair food. I haven't tried this before, but I was like, let me just give it a try. I got this hair food from Dark and Lovely. I just got rolls, guys. These rolls don't seem fresh. No way. No way. Let's check. But juice, there was a special running. I think it was 2 for 64, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I just got juice. And that's round about it. I'm gonna have some juice. Okay, I'm going to probably make breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna make that with you guys. I'm just gonna make breakfast quick because I want something to snack on quick because already time is not on my side. I want something to snack on quick. I'm actually waiting for my mom to knock off, and she said she'll knock off at around 10, so I'm sure she's gonna get here to me at around 11, and then we're gonna go to the graduation. And yeah, so that's basically what I want to do. So if I film everything with you guys, I'm gonna be late, so I just want to film the whole relaxing process with you guys. So right now I'm gonna make food quick, and then I'm gonna go and relax my hair. So let's go. Hi guys, so this is how my hair looks. I'm sorry if there's gonna be an echo. I had to close the window, I had to close everything because they're cutting the grass outside, which is just a whole mess. So yeah, this is how my hair looks. It's so dirty, and we are going to be starting our relaxing process. So as I told you guys, this is what we are using. So yeah, this is what we are going to be using. But before, I literally just start with Vaseline, and I put it here, you know, just so that I don't burn. I don't think you burn with Dark and Lovely, but you know, just in case. So basically we have this package, and then we have the relaxer, and then usually you also get like a shampoo in here. Yeah, you get a shampoo, which shampoos and conditions, but I usually just use my Pantene shampoos. And then you get this. This is like to mix or something like that. Then you get gloves also. And then, okay, so this is like a healing treatment. Like a healing treatment. I don't know what that is for. Okay, I think we'll do that next time. Cream activator and oil moisturizer. So you get like an oil moisturizer and a cream activator. Yeah, so I think this is what you put inside here, then you mix it. Open both activator sachets and put it in. Mix.
You and me
I'm so tired. I should have done this last night. I don't understand why I'm doing this now, but whatever. I should have done this last night. So guys, I am done washing the relaxer. So right now I just want to wash with shampoo and some conditioner. So this is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use this Repair and Protect. This is the Repair and Protect shampoo, and this is the conditioner that we're going to use. I'm unable to show you guys what I'm doing because we don't have water, so I'm literally using a bucket to try and finish all of this up. But at least I washed the relaxer and everything is off, you know, like I literally washed the relaxer and everything is off basically. So I think we won't have a problem, guys. Also, my hairline is just horrible. Anyone who has like a hairline remedy, please do tell me what I need to do, because this honey, no, it's not working for us. So someone please give me a hairline remedy because I can't survive like this. So right now I'm just going to I'm just gonna shampoo and condition my hair. And yeah, I think it worked because there's like a tap in our complex that has water. So I literally just went down there and I just washed it down there, because if I washed it here I was gonna waste the water that I had. So someone told me, like one of the guys who cleaned, like he's busy cleaning the corridors, he was like, nah, there is water at this certain block. So I'm like, perfect, thank you so much guys, people are so kind. So I went there and then I washed my hair. So right now I'm just gonna shampoo it, and then yeah, that's that. Let's go.
It's not easy, it never is. I can't go back, I don't know any more than this. You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my...
Hi guys, so I am done with my hair. I love how it looks. Like I already put it in like a sleek whatever there, and then I am going to put this. I bought this pony from, like, you know those stores, yeah, I bought it from there. So I'm just gonna attach it to the back, and then I'm gonna just do like a light foundation. It's really hot, like it's just terrible. So I'm gonna do like a really light foundation, and then I am going to head out. So that is round about it per. Good morning guys, I hope you guys are good. So today is basically the next day. Today is Friday, and I thought I should just come here and, you know, tell you guys about my day. So yesterday was absolutely beautiful. It was extremely beautiful. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed spending time with my family, and I am so proud of my sister too. And yeah, so yesterday was just amazing. It was nothing short of amazing. I think I'll insert just snippets, you know, for my family's privacy, whatever you call it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm super tired guys, and I need to go to work. Like, yeah man, like this life that we live in. Yo, yesterday I came back at around 12:30. I got home at like past midnight, yeah, 12:30, and oh, I'm so tired. So basically today I decided to take you guys along because I want to go do my lashes. Since I have this hairstyle, I just feel like my face is naked. I feel like my face is naked, so I think I want to just go and do my lashes. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to work, and then after work we're gonna go get our lashes done. So let's go.